Houston, say again, please. Oh, Houston, we've had a call.
Omega, Speedmaster, Professional. What's up, friends? It's Tuesday. Actually, it's June 28th. Tuesday. It's Speedy Tuesday. However, I'm not wearing it on wrist today. It's going in for some much needed service. Get her all cleaned up. Had that Hesalite Crystal looked at for the Omega Speedmaster Professional. And then we'll see what kind of turnaround we can get from the authorized dealer when we're going to get that thing back in our hot little hands. I can't wait. Omega, let's see what your reputation's made of. All right, the Omega Speedmaster Professional. Okay, so as I mentioned before, my Speedy was dropped off at the authorized dealer, June 28th. Are you kidding me right now? Can't you see that I'm shooting? What's up? How you doing? Did you tell him? Did he tell you? Yeah. She broke it.
They know.
She broke my watch.
Know.
Full description in the link below. Omega Speedmaster break on the channel. Go check it out.
You're
She broke
killing
it.
me.
Yeah, you know it to be true. She broke my watch. She broke it. Yeah, thanks for showing up. Oh man, I hate it when he does that. Anyway, they wanted to get the authorization to send it back to Omega in Switzerland to look after repair, loose parts, cleaning, and of course the Hesalite Crystal replacement. I got the call July 14th from Toronto Omega, and the Speedy, get this, is now being sent over the pond. It's gotta go back to Switzerland. What? Oh yeah. So as I was saying, I had to get an authorization because they want to make sure it's all approved before they send it back to Switzerland to have the repairs made. Now here's where it gets tricky. Yes, I understand what's required. Yes, I know people have to get paid, but I don't understand how now you're going to be able to take my vintage vibe and the patina I have here with this watch and have it changed, because as you know, when they make these repairs, they're going to do cleaning and whatever it might be, and whatever needs to be replaced, Omega is going to do it. Here's the thing, I don't want that patina to change. I want the look of that vintage vibe you get, you know, from something that's aged naturally. This watch came from Hawaii, as mentioned in the original story, right? So the years and the history behind this watch, it's from 1976. I mean, you're not going to be able to replace that. It is what it is. It's no longer going to be in its original state. I don't know how I feel about that. Yes, I'm going to get a new, updated, cleaned watch and possibly new indices and hands, but it's no longer going to say 1976. It's going to say 2022. Now, I was told by the Omega rep, they will not fix it. They will not fix it. The Hesalite Crystal will not be replaced without them giving the watch a complete makeover of whatever it needs, hands, indices, etc. This means my vintage watch may not look so vintage. Either way, I'm super excited. I can't wait. I miss my Speedy. Now the estimated time of arrival, November of 2022. November of 2022. And wait for it, how much is it? How much? I know you're asking yourself, well, how much is it? $1,200. $1,200. Houston, we have a problem. I was expecting $5 to $8, $1,200 for what's going to be needed. I had to give the authorization. They send it on the plane back to Omega. Yeah, I know. I didn't want to buy shares in Omega. I just wanted to get my watch replaced. I just wanted to get my watch repaired. Now I authorized the journey back to Switzerland. I only wish that I could have gone with it, for crying out loud. Wow, that's a lot of money. Let me know. Comment down below. Tell me about any issues you've had with the Omega Speedmaster Professional, especially a vintage model. I want to know if there's consistency. Is this the same kind of direction you're going to get in the US or in Europe? they won't fix it, my Hesalite Crystal, without doing a full update on the watch itself. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. TheCovertCrow, I'm here all year. Can't wait to get the Omega Speedmaster Professional back on the wrist. Stay tuned for the next video when we give you the update of the Omega Speedmaster fix. I'm TheCovertCrow. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. You're going to get notified when the next video drops. A wow moment. Today we're looking at the TSO T-Race chronograph. I'm on Instagram, you know, at TheCovertCrow. Right there. It's all good, no problem. You know what? Stay tuned to the channel. We'll see you on the next one. She broke it.